Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Today I am going to be making a delicious peach cobbler. Please like and subscribe and share this video. And please give me a thumbs up. I am really trying to reach a goal of 2,000 viewers and 2,000 subscribers. A thumbs up will really help. So let's get started with 2 cans of peaches, 2 large cans of peaches. They're 29 ounces each. Both cans poured in. I am only using the juice from 1 can. And I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I have a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of sugar. I'm going to mix it really well. I have 1.5 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm pouring in a half a cup of melted butter and about 2 pinches of salt, probably 1/4 teaspoon. I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, okay, I'm going to give it a taste to make sure I don't need to make any other adjustments. We'll set this to the side and work on our crust. Please enjoy the music. So we're going to butter our dish really well. I'm going to use a ready-made pie crust, which is really easy. But you see here, I'm going to struggle a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to piece it together. We're going to form it to fit the dish really well and then butter it. The more butter, the more better. Okay, we poke a little holes in it to make sure we don't get any air bubbles underneath the crust. I'm going to place my peaches in carefully. I'm going to pour all my juice in. All that goodness has to go in. Okay, so we're going to work on our topping. It's going to be a lattice topping, and this is my little hack here. If I want straight lines, I'm going to have a nice smooth even edge. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we sure want this to taste delicious. So I'm going to brush a little butter on top. I'm going to sprinkle a little sugar and brown sugar on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to bake this at 375 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes, depending on your oven. And this is what we have, a delicious cobbler. Let it cool and then serve it with your favorite vanilla ice cream or whatever ice cream you like. Please like and share this video. Thank you for watching and enjoy.